right? So we will go to next concept, that is a distinct statement, right? So what a distinct statement will do, let us see. So what I can do is I'll say select star from employees, right? Let us run this one. If you see here, right, we have different departments, we have different address, we have different positions, right? What I want to do is I want to find, say for example, all the distinct departments that I have, right? List of all departments, right? So what I will do, what I can do, I'll say select distinct department from employees, right? So now what this will do, this will give me distinct list of all departments. That means I have IT department, I have HR department, I have finance, I have sales, and I have marketing. All the rows in the database belongs to any one of this department. That's what it means. There is no more department. These are the total list of all possible departments in my table, right? Can I say same thing for position? What are different positions available in my employees table? So I can run this one, right? We have developer position, we have manager position. These are distinct positions, right? Sales representative, database administrator, right? That's what a distinct will do, right? Now what I can do is, can I add a count on this one? What this will do, this will just count how many positions I have. If you see, the serial number is 14 till here, right? So what this count will return me, 14, right? So there are 14 distinct positions available in this employees table, right? So distinct was very simple, small concept. We'll do one more small concept, that is order by, right? Now if you do select star from employees, right? If you see, it is ordered by the primary key, right? Based on 1 2 3 4, like that. What I want to do is I want to order them by last name, right? So if a last name starts with A, it should appear on the top of the list, right? So for that, what I will do, select star from employees, then I will do order by, order by what? Order by last name, right? And what I want to do, I want to do it in ascending order, ASC. So select star from employees. Till now we know this much. Order by means put it in an order of last name ascending. Right, now if I run this one, you see here A came first, then B, then C, D, E, like that till W is the end. Here if you see, this key is not in serial order anymore. The primary key is no longer in serial order, right? It has ordered the table by the last name ascending. If I have ascending, I have descending also, right? So now this W should come first and A should come last. That's what descending will do, right? So we will run this one, right? If you see, this W came first, right? This is in descending order, and similarly we have A at the end, right? Similarly, you can perform the order by with integer columns also. So it will sort it based on the integer, ascending or descending. So for example, if there was a salary column, I could have sorted based on salary. So it will filter out, or it will order the table from salary higher to lower or lower to higher, right? So based on that, order by condition works, right? It will just order your table, rearrange the rows so that for a particular column type, it will sort it in a particular fashion, either ascending or descending, right? Okay, so the next concept is like condition, right? So we have seen where condition, and it will be filter based on and condition or condition, right? Like that, or greater than condition, equal to condition. Now for string, we have a like statement. What this like statement will do is, I'll remove this one, right? What I want to do is, I want to filter all employees where the last name ends with an S, right? So for that, what I can do, select star from employees where last name, I'll say like Okay, what does it look like? So I'll use wildcard, right? What I want to have is it should end with S, right? So whatever it starts with, it should end with S, and whatever it should start with represented by this percentage sign, right? So pick me anything, and at the end it should have S, right? So if you see, we have this Williams, another Williams, one Roberts, one Jones, right? So it will pick up all this. This is a wild card. That means anything, and at the end it should have S, right? So I will put a semicolon and I will run this one, right? So what happened? S, all that ends with S, right? It gave me, right? Similarly, can I say like this? It should start with an S, right? And after that, it can have anything, right? So if I run this query now, what this will do? It should start with S. After that, wildcard. That means anything can go here after S as long as this condition is met. That means it will be picked up. This is a wildcard, right? Now, can I put wildcard on both sides? Yes. That means it should start with anything. Somewhere it should have an S, and then again wildcard. That means it can have any value, right? Now if I run this one, right, all those things that have S somewhere here, if you see S, right, if I can make it as S and O, right, it should start with anything. It should have S and O in between, and then it should end with anything, right? Now if I do this one, right, if you see SO, right, and SO, right? So this is what a like condition, right? This is the wildcard. You can place it however you want, and it will do filtering based on your wildcard conditions, right?